Thanks for the intro, Sebastian. I'm really excited to be here. As Sebastian mentioned, my name is Sam Hayden, and I am working on Outpost. So a little bit about me and my team. I previously studied computer science at Columbia, and I previously worked at an early stage cryptocurrency startup before starting to work on Outpost. I'm working on Outpost with my friend Jack, who's a really great software engineer. So the problem that we want to solve is that online communities are owned by tech companies. We think this causes a lot of problems online, but fundamentally, one-size-fits-all governance does not work. We don't think there's really one-size-fits-all solutions to a lot of really hard governance problems like content moderation. We saw this earlier this year when a lot of people were upset when Twitter decided to fact check Trump, and then another group of people was upset when Facebook decided not to fact check him. There's just no one-size-fits-all solutions to governance decisions. And then more fundamentally, we think that one-size-fits-all networks removed all natural incentives that exist offline for civil behavior. Online trust and reputation are essential for healthy, productive communities, but trust and reputation are lost in one-size-fits-all networks. People can post fake news, fake reviews, and bad content in general because people will just end up forgetting about it. So our solution is to allow users to create online communities that they actually own. So we're going to show this in a demo quickly. We're live right now on outpostprotocol.com, but to keep this running smoothly, we're just going to show a video. So our initial product is a blogging platform where people can upload blog posts to Arweave, and users are able to sign in within Ethereum wallet. The identity system that we're using are DIDs, which are blockchain agnostic identifiers, and they allow us to upload transactions on users' behalf and still prove that they own it. So we're going to create a community now. When a community is created, a smart contract is deployed on Arweave, and the smart contract defines how the community is governed. So this community we just deployed, I'm the only user of it so far, but this is our existing community where you can see the owners, admins, moderators, and members of the community. So this is the governance portal that we're working on right now. And hopefully a few days, you're going to be able to add members, remove members, moderate content, and then see what previous governance decisions have been made, because everything is on Arweave. It's entirely transparent, so people can change governance to work in their favor. And then lastly, we're going to create a new post quickly to show you how that works. As I mentioned, everything is completely decentralized, so someone else could set up our infrastructure that is completely open source to also show all this data. So we'll upload the post, we'll choose which community that we want to post it to, and then we'll upload the post to Arweave. All right, awesome. So to talk a little bit more on smart contract governance, our governance is based on Wikipedia. Wikipedia has also already found a successful governance system for subjective measures, so we think it makes sense to build off what has already worked. And then communities are also each going to have their own profit sharing token. The profit sharing token is going to entitle holders to a portion of the community revenue, and the tokens are also going to be used for voting and governance decisions. So to talk a little bit more about our long-term vision, we are building online communities that are owned by users. We want to enable the next generation of media. We think that the next generation of the New York Times, the next generation of newspapers and magazines, is just going to be a group of writers creating together online. And in general, the next generation of media is just going to be people creating content together on the internet. Down the road, we would also like to consider exploring other ways that people can capture value online, because we think that more and more people are going to be capturing value online, and there's going to be more opportunities for what are essentially internet native corporations. So thank you very much for listening to the pitch. I look forward to chatting with everyone afterwards.